Oh, good morning, everybody. How are you? I haven't asked you in a while, so how are you guys doing? How are you doing? It's a wonderful day, and I'm not just saying that because it's a special day today. Today I turn 28. Specifically at 10:30. I was born at 10:30 in the morning. So what did they say? I'm 1 year closer to my peak, right? So, come on, like, Geraint Thomas still coming third in the Tour de France when he's like nearly 40. I mean, I've got another 10 years in me, surely. Oh, that's hot. Oh. My coffee's only just brewed. So yeah, I mean, last night I did a race again down Pembrey Country Park. You may have saw like one of my last videos where I said don't call me no-call cycling because I'm no crit racer or no sprinter. So I went down and I did the race, and I didn't film it this time. Didn't take the GoPro this time. Didn't film it. But I had a much better race. Tacked a couple of times and really got my nose into the wind as well. Just generally felt a heck of a lot better. So there's a bit of a break now in the races, but there's going to be 2 more races on a Tuesday night. The week after next, I think. So, there's people coming from like almost England to race these events, which is pretty cool. So, all kudos to Holt Racing for putting these on. So, what do I do on my birthday? Well, you've guessed it. I go for a bike ride. And everybody I meet, I make sure I let them know it's my birthday. Whoa! Go easy on me today now after the crit last night. I nearly did, I did 940 odd watts last night. Oh. Peak. I think it was like 800 though for like 5 seconds. Yeah. Maybe it was just a blip. I'd never hit 1000 watts.
It's hard at the end of a race, right?
Oh, it wasn't at the end. It was far from the end of the race. So, because it's a special birthday ride, I've selected the route for today. 2 of my favourite, I suppose, climb / descent combinations. I've given you no idea where we're going. It's only a short one, but the second, we're on the first climb and descent combo. We're going all the way down into, I can't remember place names myself. Pontyberem. We're going down into Pontyberem, and then we're going up sort of the back way to the top of Bagosfailing.
Sneaky back way.
And then we're going across and down into Pont Antwn. So it's like that fast main road. And then across the lanes again. I just thought, I don't know, something different.
That's right.
Something special. Plus it's a double celebration today. My birthday and Happy New Glasses Day!
Well, I've worn them, but you haven't seen them.
Oh, you've already bedded them in?
Yeah.
DHB as well, Scott will be proud.
Yeah. We're taking it easy on you. They want to hurt your legs there.
Pipe down. if ants has been this way or not. We're about to find out. So rather than taking the main road up, we're gonna take this little, like, it looks like a dead end. It's like a house, it takes you through the houses, but it's so steep, so steep. I've thrown you off.
Aye.
This road, it says lorries and vans prohibited. Have you ever been up here?
Yeah, we've been up here once.
Once.
Come out in the middle of the house and estate, like, and there's like a split in the estate.
That's it, yeah. All the locals out, they're gonna be like, oh, what's this new client we've had? Oh. Engage lowest gear. I want a shortcut.
Well, I went 76 on that first descent.
76k an hour.
Yeah.
I think you should get the 80 down here.
I was going, I would have gone faster, but when I was coming up on you, started going a bit technical.
Ah.
So I put the brakes on.
Well, this one's not very technical. I think you'll have the advantage on this one. Yeah, so this descent is down into, well, Llangadine, thank you. But it's called the Crwbin descent, really. So where the women's tour came up a couple of weeks back, but yeah, it's a pretty fast descent, not very technical. For someone like me, who loves descending, this is like one of my favourites in the area. To the out then on that little technical bit. Oh, I definitely hit 81k an hour, I think, but I was completely spun out.
It felt fast. It's 79.8.
Oh no!
Well, have a look after. Normally, when it goes to Strava, it normally goes up a notch or two.
Yeah, Strava speed is different.
So have a look.
Mine was 81, but it was sort of blipping between like.
Yeah, jumping up and down. Well,
yeah.
I was like catching you, so.
Well, that was my idea. We came through that bend.
Yeah.
And I thought slight gap.
Yeah, you went a bit.
And you could rush. Oh, that's nice. Laverack. Oh. Well, we call this one the world's worst road, but only because it's never really maintained. It's far from being the world's worst, but it's certainly an obstacle course. See if we can find ourselves some birthday cake. So that concludes the birthday ride, and I've just come off to do a little bit extra. Sorry, Ants, I've got to one-up you. But I've just had a message from him. He has screenshotted his Strava speed. So the difference between like Garmin speed and Strava speed, slightly different, obviously, today. So 80.4 k/h Anthony hit. I wonder what I hit.